Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to transfer money from WeChat to PayPal. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Transferring money directly from WeChat to PayPal isn't straightforward, but you can use a workaround. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Transfer to a bank account. First, transfer the money from your WeChat account to your linked bank account. Step 2. Link bank account to PayPal. Ensure that the same bank account is linked to your PayPal account. At last, step 3. Transfer to PayPal. Once the money is in your bank account, you can transfer it to your PayPal account. So by following these easy steps, you can easily transfer your money from WeChat to PayPal. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.